Hi friends, welcome to another video with Sunnyside Design. I am Michelle.
And I'm Steph, and we are excited to be here with you today. Our video we put out last year with 30 Easter table decor ideas has been a favorite, so thank you for watching. And today we're just upping our game a little bit. Today we have 50 new ideas with Easter table decor ideas, tablescapes, centerpieces, napkin folding, all sorts of stuff. So be sure to watch till the end and make sure to comment below what ideas are your favorite. Before we get into these amazing ideas, I just want to take a quick second to thank all of the DIY home bloggers and creative Instagrammers that have allowed us to use their images. So we will put all of their information on each image, so you can go check out their information if you want to see more of the tablescape. We'll have a link below as well.
First off, we have bright and cheery tablescapes. Take a look at these beautiful ideas.
If you're looking for a more subtle tone to your Easter tablescape, check out these gorgeous ideas with Easter pastels.
Next up is classic blue and white. Take a look at these charming ideas.
Ideas are pretty and pink, and they pack a punch.
Subtle Easter table, let's look at nothing but neutral.
Rustic and natural elements. You'll find elements of rattan, fresh greenery, moss, spring flowers, and twigs.
let's take a look at beautiful boho style with that relaxed, carefree look that is layered with lots of texture.
Now let's take a look at some Easter tablescape ideas with that farmhouse feeling. So these ideas will create an inviting and cozy vibe that's stylish, embraces practicality, simplicity, and rustic charm.
Take a look at that Grandmillennial style, and if you are not familiar with this style, it is someone who really appreciates the look from the past. Kind of think of a younger person who loves those vintage treasures that were from their grandmother. So you're going to see lace and doilies and floral, and they love to layer on lots of textiles.
Now, an Easter tablescape wouldn't be complete without some sort of centerpiece. So let's take a look at these clever ideas.
Personally, I think these clever napkin folds are amazing, and I bet they will be a conversation starter on your Easter table.
you like the idea of including little place cards for your guests, take a look at these ideas. There's even a free printable one.
And finally, our last section is keeping it simple. If you want a beautiful Easter table but don't want to stress about it, then these ideas are for you. So take a look at these great ideas to keep it simple. And if you are enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up and drop us a comment with your favorite idea. And please subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you follow along.